sneaking of telephones is very minimal. Compared to any other year, this has been our best of years in terms of doing the exam in the right way. So with this year, there is a slight increase in the number of our girls having to do their examinations in hospitals. Compared to last year, the numbers have slightly gone up. I want to urge our parents, let's engage more with our children so that we can protect them against these situations, that we expose them to teenage pregnancies and such other challenges. I want to also urge us as teachers that we become more of the parents and counseling our young ones so that we can also protect them.
Sirikal ma pacho ka osingo mar keto chenro makare maneno ni jopuonjre mawuok e grade 8 kadhi e grade 9 e dwe mar achiel higa manyien odhi mbele kod somb yo maber maonge chochni moro amora. Kaluwore kod jatend jotije mag sirikal Eliud Owalo, sirikal osetieko chenro mar gero kilese 16,000 e skunde mopogore opogore pacho ka ma jopuonjrego biro donje ka somo e higa manyien. Owalo bende wacho ni sirikal chano mar tieko midhiero manok ma jopuonj, kama duol mandiko jopuonj e tich TSC biro ndiko yo mongirore jopuonj 46,000 mosebedo katiyo kaka interns, ka jopuonj mamoko 20,000 bende biro ndiko e tich.
Tell the community who are also special.
The government is doing its best to ensure that the transition from standard 8 to 9 at primary school level is facilitated. We need about an additional 16,000 classrooms, and the government has put in place mechanisms, financial facilitation, to ensure that as at January 2025, we are going to have an additional 16,000 classrooms spread evenly all over the country. We are aware that we have been having a shortage of teachers, and that is why the government has again decided to absorb the 46,000 teachers who have been teaching as interns. Now they are being absorbed fully through the Teacher Service Commission.
Our objectives as funders of this project to make sure that our children are well prepared to be digital natives of the future. This is now your responsibility. It is not ours. And I can tell you, this is not the last time we're coming here. We want to come here and to make sure that facilities that we've offered are delivering to our expectations. So I can guarantee you, this is not the last time we're handing over, but we'll be constant visitors here.
Rowere matieko tiegruok e kuonde somo tije lwedo kata TVETs e pacho ka mangima koro kwa mondo neno tiyo gi lony margi ma giyudo e chugo thuolo mag tije ne ji mamoko e pacho ka. Maeri en ote manochiw kod jalup jata tije bad migawo mar TVETs e Thurka Dr. William Osawa mane olero ni rowerego ni e thuolo makare mar neno ni giloko chenro mag dongruok e pacho ka. Dr. Osawa ne wuoyo e nyasi mar sidho ogudu ne rowere mohewo 200 mane otieko tiegruok e kar thieth ma Nairobi West Hospital e buore ka.
It is my sincere hope that the great wealth of knowledge, innovative ideas, and problem-solving skills that you have acquired in the course of your training will help you to overcome the challenges and lead you to identify and achieve real success, not only for yourselves, but for the whole country without engaging in non-ethical activities.
It is our duty to listen attentively, to offer solace, and to provide care that goes beyond physical, encompassing the emotional and spiritual aspects of healing. As you will be caring for your patients, do so with diligence. Care for your patients with professionalism and humility. Attend to them with respect and
please remember that the world is full of promises. Carry with you more than certificates and diplomas. You should carry the responsibility to make the meaningful and lasting impact in the world.
Jotije mag mbalariany oseo piny owacho kuom koso keto maino e ng'anyo margi madhi mbele kendo rocho chenro mag somo e mbalariany mag piny owacho. Ka giloso e gwenge manyeri, jokanyogo kotelnegi kod jagoro Onesmus Mutiso owacho ni jatend migawo mar somo pok obedo gi romo kodgi manyiso ni dwa ket chenro makare. Gimedo ni pod gibiro dhi mbele gi ng'anyo nyaka kete tim winjruok mar tich ma higa 2021 nyaka 2025 kama gidware bilion 9.7 mar keto kare dwachgi. Bende gisiemo jotend mbalariany mondo we bwogo jotijegi manie ng'anyo ni mar chiko yienegi ng'anyo.
Resolve this matter, and you are saying if you are not willing to resolve the issue affecting lecturers, please leave, resign and leave your office. We want people who are serious, people who are ready to engage us. You have seen that the CS is opening a container while lecturers are striking. Seriously? You go to open a container when students are not studying? Are you serious? We want to say that we want people who are serious. The ministry, our mother ministry, the CS and the PS are not serious.
We are on this strike till the government does its part. When we signed the return to work formula, we agreed that we are going to pay our people 7%, 10% increment, and 4% automatic annual increments. We did the simulations in Machakos, and I have seen even in media, they are lying on a broad daylight that the calculations are 4 point something. It is 9.7 billion.
The negotiations must continue, and that's number one, at the national level. Number two, the Dedan Kimathi Roko issues are becoming unbearable. Only last week, one of our lecturers was sacked because he did not teach. One of the reasons is because he did not teach during the strike period.
Kuonde dak mongore kaunti ma Kakamega osechak bero nyaka rang'iny manyasani e bwo tielo mar ariyo mar bero kuonde dak mongore pachoka mong'ere kaka Informal Settlements Improvement Project. Chenro ma kama dhi muonyo kwan omenda maromo siling milion 268. Chenro ma kama ni tayo gi sirkal mar Kenya kod piny owacho ma kaunti ma Kakamega kokalo kuom bengi maduong' mar piny mangima World Bank, French Development Agency kod riwruok pinje Ulaya kata EU. Chenro ma kamano geto kuonde dak ma Amalemba, kambi Somali, mjini Lukoe to gi Shibale e alwora ma Mumias.
Tumekuwa tunaishi kwa giza, wakati unaenda unatoka maybe biashara zako na kuwa attacked, maana ni giza. Lakini kwa sasa naona hata unaweza rudi nyumbani wakati wowote unafikiria. Juu tumeletewa street lights na pia naona barabara wakati inaendelea kumalizika pia tutakuwa sawa.
This is a project that we are hoping that will have an impact on the lives of at least 3,000 people at the Amalemba informal settlement and also other settlements. It will help uplift their people. It will help them access, it will help in giving reliable accessibility to other amenities.
KISIP within Kakamega County is actually structured in 3 contracts. One being Lot 1, which is being undertaken in Mumias municipalities, the 3 settlements in Mumias, which is being undertaken at a cost of 152 million. Under the second lot of contract, which is being undertaken in 2 settlements within Kakamega municipality, it's being undertaken at an approximate cost of 116 million. We then have the small works, which is being undertaken majorly in 4 settlements, and this is within Amalemba, Kambi Somali, Mjini and Lukoye, which is being undertaken at a cost of 30 million.
Gavana ma Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka otimo lokruok ne ten kaunti ma Bungoma e sekta mopogore kowacho ni mano en yor bero chenro mag tich e hik omenda 2024-2025. Kanoloso gi jofwambo e kar jot mare ma sub-kaunti ma Kimilili, Lusaka nowacho ni mano en lokruok motimo mogik kendo jotije moketo nyawo e tich ibiro teng lwetgi mogo. Omedo ni okang' mokawono en mageto neno ni kaunti ma Bungoma ochopo singo manochiwo e ndalo kampen kendo chopo dwaro mar jopiny.
This is the last time I'll be making a cabinet reshuffle. I cannot waste time. We have no time to keep massaging people's egos because we must have people who are prepared to deliver for the people of Bungoma. And that I will not expect anything less. And from today onwards, if people don't deliver, I'll not have an opportunity. We have very many people that can work in this county. We have many people who voted for us. We have many people who can deliver services. So we are not going just to keep going around and making changes when people are supposed to be working.